Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Desk for You. In this video, first we are going to discuss about how to launch the app. First of all, launch the PyCharm and click on create new project and give the project title. As it is the Appium with Python, I am naming it as Appium Python. And click on create. The project will be created in PyCharm. And right click on this and create a new package Python directory as a base package. You can give it as, and create a file inside this package, the whatever file name you like, launch app. And now we have successfully created a project name and file name also we have created. First of all, first we need to give the desired capabilities for launching an app using the Appium. First launch the Appium. And first of all, first we need to give the desired capabilities. What is the uses of these desired capabilities? Suppose take an example, you need to launch the app in Android or iOS device and anything. And we need to say the Appium server that this particular Android device we are going to working on our code, or a particular iOS device we are going to work on it. So that we need to give these desired capabilities. What are these desired capabilities? These are the key value pairs which are encoded in the JSON format and sent to this Appium server by the Appium client. Appium client in the sense whatever we are code we are going to write. It might be the Python, it might be the Java or Ruby and anything. These desired capabilities are sent to the Appium server by Appium client to start the session. Okay. So that what are the desired capabilities we need to give? And what platform we are going to work, whether it is Android, iOS or Windows, and platform version. Suppose it is an Android 10 or Android 9 or Android 8. Whatever version, Android version, we need to define it here. And device name. Device name, as we thought earlier, it might be the Pixel or whatever device you are using. It is not a specific, whatever name you can give it as. And the app. And whatever app you are going to install into the device, you need to give that path here. And the Appium and that app package. And whatever app we are going to test on that particular app, we need to give it the app package here. And then app activity. This all the desired capabilities we need to define in our code so that the whatever we are going to function on the particular app, everything this will be worked on. Copy this complete device capabilities and paste it here. Okay, and now we have defined all the desired capabilities whatever we are going to work on that our particular app. We have defined the whether it is a platform is Android or iOS, and platform version also we have defined, and device name we have given, and app path we have given, and app package also we have defined on what app we are going to work on our code, and app activity also we have given. How to get this app path? Suppose take an example, my app is present in documents, go to lead, and here my app is present. Right click on that and click on get info. Here you can find our desired path of the particular APK. So that the whatever path is there here, I have given it here. Okay. And then you need to create the driver object for this. DRIV, your driver is equal to web driver. This is unresolved. First we need to import this package. Here we have imported. Now see, the error has gone.
Now we need to give the HTTP local address and the port number.
And here we need to pass the desired capabilities, whatever we have created here. This name we need to pass it here. And now we need to click on the element whatever app it is, so that open the Appium inspector And in JSON representation, give the values whatever previously we have saw in Appium inspector video. These 4 values we need to give. These five values. What is the values? The whatever package we are going to launch, and what is the app activity we are going to test, and platform name, whether it's Android or iOS, and the device name, and UDID. It is a ADB ID. And paste it here, and click on save, and click on start session. It got successfully launched our app. Now I am going to click on this element, and I got the ID of the element. Now give any element value. ELE by ID is equal to DRI driver dot find element by ID, and give the ID value. Copy this, paste it in our code, and by using the click element, we need to click on that particular element and check whether Appium server is started or not. Okay, it got started successfully. And then right click and then click on run launch app. As our file name is the launch app, we need to click on this launch app. Here you can see the successfully the app going to launch, and click on that particular element, whatever the element we are given. Now app got successfully launched and it got clicked, and it got the code output value is 200. 200 is the successful. That's all.
For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.